Shri Krishna was born at the midnight of Shravan month at Rohini Nakshatra. And when he was born, his parents were literally in the jail and they were chained. But interestingly, mystically, all the chains broke loose. That's when little baby Krishna was taken by Vasudev and he was given to Nanda. Vasudev actually carried him in a basket and took him all the way in the heavily flowing river. Krishna made like one whole travel. He traveled as a baby from one place to another in heavy rainfall, and that's like the beautiful story. When Vasudev reached the house of Nand, he found out that his wife Yashoda had given birth to a baby girl. This baby girl was none other than Yogmaya. Vasudev goes back and keeps Yogmaya in place of Krishna. When Kans finds out that a baby has been born, he goes immediately to put an end to it. But surprisingly, when he sees the baby girl, in his anger, when he tries to kill her, Yogmaya flies out of his grip. From a baby, she turned into Durga, and she obviously was very scary at that point in time, and she made a prophecy by screaming to Kansa, "Oh fool, what will you get by killing me? Your enemy who's going to kill you has already taken birth." After saying this, she disappeared in the sky. Few years later, Krishna and his brother Balram come back to Vasudev and Devaki after putting an end to Kansa and also ending his tyranny and torture. Now the rainfall is not that bad. It's like just drizzling and you can just walk around in this rain. Kind of over already, but it's still there, and probably it's gonna be like this tomorrow as well, because I've noticed that every year, though it rains heavily at midnight, but the whole day, the next day of Janmashtami, it continuously rains. Sanatan is literally the most mystical, most beautiful religion of this world. And if somebody doesn't believe in Sanatan, I mean, there is so much proof, like you don't even have to go anywhere to look for God. If you just read the scriptures, if you just watch these activities, if you just watch how nature coordinates everything, like nature and Sanatan seems to be one. And this is my experience. Look at these little girls. They're just chilling. It's gonna rain for some time. It's gonna rain and all this lightning would happen. All of you people, all the Hindus, all the Sanatanis all over the world, happy Janmashtami, and thank you for being a part of this beautiful festival. And this is what I wanted to share with you all and talk about. I will see you soon in next one. One love, peace out, and victory to Ram.